Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the features related to the leave policies in Frappe HR. I have a scenario and Pragati is with me. She is going to explain the solution of the particular problem. Hi Pragati, how are you?
Hi Ankit, I am good, thank you.
Okay. So the problem is once any new employee joined in our organization, company put them on a provision period of the initial 3 months, and during the provisionary period, new joinee is not able to take the benefit of any kind of leave. Okay, so once they completed the provisionary period, and then they are eligible to take the earned leave. After 3 months, they are eligible for 1.25 earned leave per month, and these 1.25 leaves are the carried forward to the next month as well, if not taken into the same month. Okay. For example, if an employee join on first of the Jan, so for first 3 months means till the March, they are not take the benefit of the earned leave, but from first of April onwards, they are eligible for 1.25 leaves per month. So, for this particular case, company want to automate this leave policy once they create the employee into the employee master at the time of joining only. So, this should be applicable for all the new joinees employee. Got it?
Okay.
So, please explain how we can achieve this into the ERP next.
Okay, Ankit, I got your point. So, you want the new employees to get their earned leaves after completing their probationary period. So,
Yes,
I already have prepared the records in the ERP. So, I'll show you this how we can allocate those leaves, those earned leaves to the people who have completed their probationary period.
yes.
So you can see my workspace. We'll be going on HR module. Here we'll select the leaves. So before allocating the leave, you need to create that leave type, which will be earned leave. So I have already created one. This is the earned leave leave type, which is created already. All you need to do is, while creating this leave, you need to put all these details as asked. So I have added this leave type will be applicable after 90 days. Maximum leaves are 5 which are allocated. I have all put it the carry forward leaves for the next year in case if the earned leave is not used.
Right.
I'll put this here as an earned leave. We'll set the frequency, we'll set the allocate date and the rounding off, which will be 0.25, like it will calculate till 1.25 of the leaves.
Okay.
So this is the leave type which you need to create. Once this is done, we'll go for the leave policy. So here in the leave policy, we'll create a leave policy using the earned leave, so which is already created here one. So I have created this policy. Now you need to assign this leave policy to those new joinees who are under the probationary period.
Okay.
So I have few employees who are already under the probationary period. So I have kept it from the 1st of April. My financial year is 1st of April for the leave. So
Right.
this employee Nitali, she joined on 1st of April. So counting from 1st April, her provisionary will get ended by the 30th June, which is the 3 months of the period. So all I did is I gave her the effective date, which is 1st of July. From that, her next year of 31st March will be the last date. Till then, she will earn her leaves. So here, automatically, once this effective date and effective to date has been added here, automatically it will calculate her leaves for the upcoming months after the probationary period, which is July. So I'll show you this leave allocation here. So leave has been allocated automatically for the coming month, which is July, and which is 1.25. So this scenario will work for the next month of August. In case if she does not uses her July month leave of 1.25, it will automatically, like, while you have to check this checkbox like add unused leaves from previous allocation. So once this is done, it will automatically add her leaves of July to the month of August, and it will convert into 2.5. So this is the scenario which will be done till the 31st of March. So this is how you can allocate the leaves to the people who are under the probationary period, and I hope the doubt has been cleared here.
Yes, that's really great, and it is easy to achieve. This is really awesome. How user friendly the Yapinex system is. So I hope guys you also get to know how to automate the leave policies for our provisionally employees. And to know more, please reach out to us on the contact details mentioned in the caption. Thanks for watching.